Hello, my name is Vinod. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Judicial Services Exam. In this video, we will discuss about rights of arrested person under Constitution of India and under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. इसमें हमने लास्ट में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस भी दिए हैं और इम्पॉर्टेंट केसेस भी हमने इंक्लूड किए हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन. Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Arrest, Rights of Arrested Person, and we have included multiple choice questions for prelims in this presentation. Rights under Constitution of India, that is Fundamental Rights, Article 21 and Article 22, Clause 1st and 2. Rights under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Section 49, 50, 50A, 54, 55A, 56, 57, 60A, 76, 303 and 304. Arrest to be made strictly according to the procedure established by law. This is provided under Article 21 of the Constitution और यही बात Section 60A CRPC में दी गई है. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. This is by Article 21. And arrest to be made strictly according to the code Section 60A CRPC जो कि 2008 अमेंडमेंट से जोड़ा गया है. No arrest shall be made except in accordance with the provisions of this code or any other law for the time being in force providing for arrest. Right to know the grounds of arrest. ये बहुत important rights है और ये आर्टिकल 22 क्लॉज फर्स्ट में दे रखा है. नो पर्सन हु इज अरेस्टेड शैल बी डिटेन्ड इन कस्टडी विदाउट बीइंग इन्फॉर्म्ड एज सून एज मे बी ऑफ द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ सच अरेस्ट. और यही चीज सेक्शन 50 क्लॉज फर्स्ट सीआरपीसी में दी गई है. एवरी पुलिस ऑफिसर और अदर पर्सन अरेस्टिंग एनी पर्सन विदाउट वारंट शैल फोर्थविथ तत्काल communicate to him full particulars of the offence for which he is arrested or other grounds for such arrest. In case of arrest with warrant, notification of substance of arrest provided under Section 75, police officer or other person executing a warrant of arrest shall notify the substance thereof to the person to be arrested and if so required shall show him the warrant. जो भी आदमी को अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है उसको अरेस्ट वारंट दिखाकर फिर अरेस्ट किया जाएगा सेक्शन 75 में. और सेक्शन 50 क्लॉज ए जो कि 2005 अमेंडमेंट में जोड़ा गया है. ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ पर्सन मेकिंग अरेस्ट टू इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द अरेस्ट टू ए नॉमिनेटेड पर्सन. इसमें दो इंपॉर्टेंट केस हैं. जोगिंदर कुमार वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी 1994 सुप्रीम कोर्ट और डी.के. बासु वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल 1997 सुप्रीम कोर्ट. It is obligatory on the part of police officer to inform the friends or relative of the arrested person about his arrest and also to make an entry in a register maintained by the police. The magistrate is also under an obligation to satisfy himself about the compliance of the law by the police in this regard. Magistrate की भी ड्यूटी बनती है कि पुलिस ने अरेस्ट प्रोविजंस पर ध्यान दिया है या नहीं दिया, ये वो उसकी ड्यूटी है कि वो इसको चेक करे. Right to be informed of right to bail under Section 50 Clause 2. Every police officer arresting without warrant any person other than a person accused of a non-bailable offence shall inform the person arrested that he is entitled to be released on bail and that he may arrange for sureties on his behalf. बेलेबल ऑफेंसेस में अगर कोई व्यक्ति अरेस्ट होता है तो उसके पास राइट है बेल पे छूटने का, तो ये पुलिस ऑफिसर उसको बताएगा। Right to be produced before a magistrate, section 56 and section 76. Person arrested, section 56, person arrested without warrant to be taken before magistrate having jurisdiction, and person arrested with warrant to be brought before court without delay. In case of every arrest, whether with or without warrant, the person arresting is required without unnecessary delay and subject to provisions regarding bail to produce the arrest person before the magistrate or court having jurisdiction in the case. Right of not to be detained more than 24 hours. Article 22, Clause 2. Every person who is arrested and detained in custody shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours of such arrest. जो भी व्यक्ति अरेस्ट किया जाता है उसको 24 घंटे के अंदर मैजिस्ट्रेट के आगे पेश करना होता है, excluding the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the court of the magistrate. जो टाइम अरेस्ट जहाँ से हुआ है वो और जहाँ कोर्ट ऑफ मैजिस्ट्रेट है वहाँ तक जो जर्नी है ये समय छोड़कर 24 घंटे के अंदर उसको पेश करना होगा. सेम हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड इन सेक्शन 57 CRPC. Person arrested not to be detained more than 24 hours, and this section is to be read with section 167, that is procedure when investigation not completed in 24 hours. ये एक्सेप्शन है सेक्शन 57 का. Right to consult a legal practitioner. Article 22, Clause 1. Every arrested person has a right to consult and to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. यही चीज सेक्शन 303 CRPC में दी गई है. Right of person against whom proceedings are instituted to be defended by a pleader of his choice. और यही चीज सेक्शन 41 Clause D में दी गई है जो कि 2008 अमेंडमेंट में डाली गई है. Any person who is arrested and interrogated by the police shall be entitled to meet an advocate of his choice during investigation, though not throughout the investigation. Free legal aid to indigent person or accused. Case है in Khatri versus State of Bihar, 1981 Supreme Court. Supreme Court held that state is under a constitutional mandate to provide free legal aid to an indigent person. Article 39 AB इसी पर बात करता है. State shall provide free legal aid to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disability. Section 304 CRPC में भी यही बात है. Legal aid to accused at state expense in certain cases. एक केस है मतलूब वर्सेस स्टेट दिल्ली एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन 1997. The entitlement of free legal aid is not dependent on the accused making an application in this regard, and the court is obliged to inform the accused of his right to obtain free legal aid. Free legal aid के लिए accused को अलग से application देने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये मजिस्ट्रेट की ड्यूटी है कि उसको इस बारे में बताया जाए. Right to be examined by a medical practitioner, section 54, that is inserted by 2008 amendment, section 54 clause 1. When any person is arrested, he shall be examined by a medical officer in the service of central or state government. If medical officer not available by a registered medical practitioner, इसमें एक प्रोविजो है. If arrested person is female, The examination of the body shall be made by or under the supervision of female medical officer, and if female medical officer is not available, the examination shall be conducted by a female registered medical practitioner. Section 54, Clause 3. Copy of the report of examination shall be furnished to the arrested person or a person nominated by the arrested person. Health and safety of arrested person provided under section 55A. It shall be the duty of the person having the custody of the accused to take reasonable care of the health and safety of the accused. No unnecessary restraint provided under section 49. The person arrested shall not be subjected to more restraint than is necessary to prevent his escape. Important multiple choice questions for prelims. First question is, it is mandatory for a police officer to inform the person arrested the grounds of arrest and right of bail if the offence is not non-bailable. Section 49, 54, 51, Section 50. इसका आंसर होगा Section 50. A police officer arresting a person may carry out the personal search of the person arrested as provided under Section 51, 50, 54, Section 56. इसका आंसर होगा Section 51. Next question ले लेते हैं. The section of CRPC inserted by Code of Criminal Procedure Amendment Act 2005, which makes it mandatory for the police to give information about the arrest of the person as well as the place where he is being held to anyone nominated by him, is Section 53A, 53B, 50A, 50B. इसका आंसर होगा Section 50A. The section of CRPC inserted by Code of Criminal Procedure Amendment Act 2005, which provides for medical examination of person accused of an offence of rape by registered medical practitioner, is, ये बहुत important question है और इसके ऑप्शन है Section 54, 53A, 50A, 54B. तो इसका ऑप्शन है B, Section 53A. It is mandatory to produce the person arrested before the magistrate within 24 hours of his arrest under Section 56, 57, 58, 59. Answer is Section 57 of CRPC. So this was all about arrest. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.
Sandy shoes I never knew.